Hello everyone. In this training session, we are going to learn one of the most famous bow-style form of Shaolin Kung Fu. It's called Shaolin阴阳棍. Shaolin means Shaolin Kung Fu. Yin Yang is like a yin and yang, the Tai Chi symbol. Gun means staff. Alright, so this form is very famous. Let's have a look at the demonstration first. After the demonstration, we can learn this form in details. Alright everyone, as you can see, this form is quite long, so we are going to divide this form into 6 parts to learn. And let's learn the first part together. Face to this direction. Please remember, in this form with the bow stance, okay, bow stance, you no need to crouch too low, okay, no need to crouch too low. Higher bow stance, as long as you feel coordinate and release your break points, that's all good. With the horse stance, you can crouch lower and also crouching stance. Okay, and let's start. First of all, we face to this direction. Measure our start first. Come be this way. This is ready action. Alright, so you're gonna open with your left leg out first, hands out, with your shoulders level, face ready, strike with your elbows. At the same time, we look at the left. Now next move, I turn to the left, hold your staff. Now put your staff flat. What are we gonna do? We're gonna sweep with our staff like this, sweep, and release your break points like this, see? Okay, now from here again, flat, take a step back, be aware of the details. Step back, put your left leg back on your toes. Okay, on your toes, see? On your toes, keep your back leg straight. From here, you're gonna sweep like this. See, your arms is not straight, bend a bit. Face to this angle, you can see from here. If I'm going to sweep, I step back, to sweep, pa, like this, okay? Now, don't turn too much, this is not cornet. Make sure you do like this, okay? Now from here we move on. Next move, so like here, you can see most of the weight on your front leg. Let's say 60% weight on your front leg, 40% weight on your back leg. Alright, so from here we move on. Next move, this is like use your staff, draw a circle and stretch. higher bow stance. Now, why you draw a circle? Because you can use this circle as block. Okay, block. For example, someone use the staff trying to strike at you, trying to hit you like this, or spear. Okay, spear stab at you, or sword. You can use this stuff. Doesn't matter the weapon from upwards or from this way. You can block. See, block. But once you block, you have a U-turn back, strike. See, block, strike. Okay. Now strike like this. From here again. Block, strike. Next move. Point at our staff. 点棍. Take a step forward slowly. 1. Step back. 2. 3. After 3, be aware of the details. Slide with your staff. Slide. See my hand? 滑手 okay, 滑棍 slide, look back, turn. See, from here, pressing down, you can pick into horse stance. See, you have 3 points to release here, release on the top of your staff. After, bring back, see, slide, see, slide. Here, staff in between of your index finger and thumb. So see, so this way your staff will not slip away. Otherwise, slip away. Make sure do like this. This we call tiger's mouth. 虎口. Okay, tiger's mouth. Tiger's mouth. Okay, from here, slide. Okay, hold. This is racing stance. So normally racing stance you crouch very low, but in here is higher. Okay, and then you see, strike like this. Strike. After you slide, hold. Here is chop. Chop staff from above, chop down. After you chop, let's move on. But be careful, be aware of the details here. If this hand hold too far, right, make sure you bring back. Okay? If, like this, a little bit, you feel suitable, quite comfortable, you just move on. No need to bring your hand back. So that's just a little bit details. Be aware, okay guys? Okay, from here, I move on. Hold. 1. Hold it, stop. Like this. Okay? Now, from here you jump because your legs still bending. You jump and smashing down with your staff into crouching stance. If you cannot crouching down like this, you can stand back higher like this. Stand back higher. See? Jump. See? That's all good. Okay? So this is the first part. Let's give a try again. I face to this direction. Measure your staff first. Face ready? 1. Turn. So slowly step back. Point your staff, 点棍. Slide. Look back. Pick. Rising stance. Smashing down. And then Go. Jump. Ha. Smashing down. One more time. Face the direction. Ready? Holding your stop. 1, 2, 3. Coming forward. After, chop. See, chop, chop. After chop, if it's too far, see, slip back a bit, and you flow through. All right, let's move on to the second part together. We'll start from a crouching stance, 瀑布摔棍. And then next one, you go forward into bow stance, like from crouching stance, change to bow stance, higher bow stance. See, your hand slide, slide, put your staff like this, okay, like this, okay. So from here, we can sweep with our staff, sweep like this. Now, tip your toes. When you're turning, tip your toes, turn to the left. So this way you can coordinate, see? Coordinate on your toes. Be aware of the details, okay? Tip your toes. So on your toes, actually, the weight on your toes when you're turning, see? Like that. Don't put too much weight on your heel, otherwise you cannot turn properly, all right? So from 瀑布摔棍, we move on, see, come back together, slide, and slowly sweep. Put your staff on your left hand, tiger's mouth, like this, okay? Slide, hold, strike down like this, okay? So like strike down, and next move you can turn, strike, okay? Strike. So from here we move on. Next move, you turn, see your legs still bend, and you can jump into horse stance. If you cannot jump like this, right, you can always do like this. Turn first, and then see, turn like this, and then jump. See, will be easier. Or you can try, turn, ha, jump like this. Okay, let's move on from horse stance. Look left. See, slide. Be aware of the details. My left hand. And this is wushu. We have learned wushu before in details. I don't go through with the details here, okay? So from here we move on. One more time. Too hot. Details. My left hand. Now wushu we do 3 times. This is 1, 2. Be aware. 3. Pop. Put your left hand in front of your right chest. Next move, we are going to do the tornado kick. But first of all, you're going to chop with your left hand. Chop. Right hand, right arm. Follow like this. Follow from above. So this way you are coordinate to do the tornado kick. From here, one more time. And this is 1, 2, 3. Chop. From here, tornado kick. Okay, we have learned tornado kick as well, right? You can, in Kung Fu Wushu level 2, you can check out with the tornado kick. See, with the tornado kick, I was landing on my left leg. You can see, I was landing on my left leg first. See, left leg first. If you want to add a degree of difficulty, you can try to land on your 2 feet together. To land together like this. You have to add a bit more, add a bit power like this. You can land like this. Okay. If you cannot do tornado kick, you can just turn around like this. Just turn around. That's all good. See? Turn around. As long as you feel coordinated and comfortable, that's all good. Alright? So, from here, chop. I do tornado kick. Pop. Like this. Okay, bend your knees a bit. And next move, hold your staff. Okay, hold your staff. Left leg, step back, arch, resting stance. Lower, pick. Let's pick. Pick with your staff. 巧棍. That's the second part. Now, let's give a try with the second part together. Face to that direction. From a crouching stance, smashing down with our staff. Corner it. Holding down. Jump. Okay. Details. 5棍。1, 2, 3. Chop. Tornado kick. Hey. Back it last. Face to that direction. Smashing down. 瀑布。摔棍。Holding down. Chop. One, 2, 3. Flow through. Tornado kick. Hold. Alright. In this training session, we just learned these 2 parts first. Okay? Please try to practice as often as you can to get used to with the moves. So later on, when we are learning the rest of the form, it will be so much easier. Remember, practice makes better and natural. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Happy training, happy life. We'll see you next time.